Ruth Loving, 4th grade Animal Unit Project. Alright class, everybody have a seat. I know that you were working with your partner on animal classifications as our opener, so I want you to just have a seat though, because we're going to start a new project today. For the past several weeks we have been talking about everything we can find out about animals. Starting with, they begin with, what's the smallest unit of all living things? Yes, the animal cell. Okay, we've learned about animal cells, going into some of their characteristics, such as the adaptations they need to survive, what are their habitats, what kind of ecosystems can you find these animals in, all the way through their food chains, food webs, life cycles. And so now I think that we're ready to take all of that and find out about animals found here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a research project. In the hat over there, I have a list of names of animals that are found right here, right in our area. And what we're going to do is you're going to come up one at a time and you're going to draw an animal name. The cool thing is that nobody's going to have the same animal. Everybody's going to get a different animal, and I have chosen animals from all of the different classifications of animals. And we will then be able to see a variety of different animals that are found in this area. The first thing we're going to do is, in a minute, I'm going to have my paper people hand out this paper to you. And what this is this is going to be an outline of what we're going to do in our project. Kind of step by step to give you an idea with some dates so you know about when each part of this project is done. Because you will be allowed to do some of this at home. One of the things that will guide you the first thing, I guess I should go back, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to learn all you can about your animal. You're going to read books about it, we're going to look it up on the internet, I'm going to supply you with some research materials, encyclopedias, and maybe get the lady from the library to come and bring some books and show you how you can go to the library and do research. This is going to be your web. This is what you will use to guide you in getting the information for your animal. Every box is a question for you to answer about your animal or something to do. For example, you are going to have to draw your animal. You're not going to be able to trace it or print a picture for one part of this project because I want you to kind of get your skill at drawing just a little bit, okay? And so we're going to do writing and drawing and all different kinds, even presenting. And that's going to be the end thing, and I can't wait to tell you about that. But once you get this web filled out and you've answered all of your questions for your web, you're going to take that information and you're going to write it into a paper with complete sentences, real formal, like you were going to present it to the principal as your best work, or you know your scientists, and you're going to bring it to the local museums and you're going to show it to them. So that's going to be your formal part of the project. And then when we're done with that, you're going to take that information that you have so nicely written and you're going to create what I like to call a flip guide. You know, they have those books that I've shown you before about field guides. Well, this is going to be a little flip guide. Now, this was one from a past student. This probably does not look a whole lot like a muskrat, but it was hand-drawn, and that's what I want to see. I want to see you take some risks and step out of your comfort zones, those of you who like to write, and I want you to just try drawing. And then what you're going to do is you can see all of these little tabs are labeled, and they each go along with one of the boxes on your web, and you will then write the information about your animal in here. And this will be like a little flip guide that we will display in the hallway. Once you get your flip guide done, then you're ready to present. And on presentation day, we are going to invite our parents or any family members who would like to come in and view your presentation. Now, you can use your flip guide as your prop, or if you want to go a little bit beyond, you can do a poster, a model, or PowerPoint presentations, any of those things. And those will be all acceptable, and then you will get your presentation done, and everyone then, through your presentation, will learn about the animals found in our area. Are there any questions?